Good night, everyone. It's Vlogmas Day 15 and it's Sunday. Right now, I'm going to Pastor's Appreciation Service. So I will see you guys there.
Put your hands together. Tonight, it's a pleasure to stand here tonight to give a testimony as the first male and the first person, our beloved Rev, baptized in 2012. And since then, his ministry has encouraged me. His ministry has challenged me as a young man to live for God. I must say, Rev, you're a father figure. Sister Foster, you're a mother figure. True man of God, Rev, Sister Foster, true woman of God. As I operate in a very, very challenging environment, and sometimes without the word, I'm unable to function throughout the week. So sir, I want to tell you thanks. Throughout the years you continue to challenge me and I continue to look forward. Continue to feast at the table as you continue to deliver the bread. Enjoy the rest of it.
It has now been 5 years since I'm saved. And I give God thanks. Rev, you are a true man of God. I would never forget that Sunday morning when I walked to the altar as a singer, and he was there, pleading with us to give our life to God. And I was one of them who walked away. And he said, when we were walking away, he said, God, trouble them hard. All those who walk away, God, don't let them be at ease until they surrender to you. And brethren, I can tell you that for that week, I've been crying and couldn't tell why I was crying until I surrendered to God. And trust me, when I started that walk, I never regretted it up until now.
And just the word that he preached to me, it really changed my heart. I've been to other churches, I've never felt this way. Auntie Dan and I used to go all over and we used to say, Lord, why can't you send us be for nowhere? Because why we selfish and we have this. I said, why I'm already. But it is true that he really leads you in the right direction. I haven't been anywhere else and felt like this. I pass a lot of churches to come here and I've been invited to all of them. And I always tell them, I'm going to come when Rev gone overseas. So, it's like I don't want to miss
desire is to keep on winning souls for the Lord. To keep on saying that no matter what, even in that weddings you're going to come altar call. And I admire you for that. And continue to keep on winning souls for the Lord, because I know that at the end of it, you will hear, well done, my good and faithful servant. Thank you. Thank you.
God have mercy. Pastor, appreciate. My God, you don't see much people down there. And the fasting. Yes, but I regret can't be them put down
service, so I'm going to edit this vlog for you now. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.